we are starting part 2 away from the desk, because most of our writing, believe it or not, does not start at the desk. It starts away from the desk. It starts in living your life. It starts in paying attention and noticing the little things. Yes, the little things, not the big mountaintop experiences, but the day-to-day, the things that you see in your day-to-day. And where is a better place to explore this than at a farm? I'm at Lusscroft Farms, which is a part of High Point State Park, and I think we're in Wantage. I'm not exactly sure. We're either in Wantage or Montague, New Jersey. Now, your day-to-day life probably looks very different than this day-to-day life, but the important thing is to tune into your day-to-day life, starting with the most basic building block of writing, which is words. That's right, words. So hold on, pull out your notebook. Hopefully you have your notebook with you. Have you gotten your notebook yet? And we are going to actually use this canvas as a means to explore collecting words and images and sentences and phrases for future writing. So let's do this thing. Some people think a writer like me has it easy. I've been doing this a long time. I know exactly what I'm doing. I have a big plan, but guess what? Oftentimes I don't. And other times, like recently, I have been really stuck with figuring out how to do this best for you. And I thought, I am not going to get this right. Nobody's going to watch these videos. No one's going to enjoy it. So if you're feeling any of that stuff, I invite you to just watch the video the first time and then follow the instructions. Come back, maybe tomorrow or the next day, and watch the instructions. I would ask you, though, to comment so that I know what you're doing. That's just a selfish thing for me. I really would like to know what you are doing. Also, for this first time, and maybe the next time you watch, is to see what themes are coming up for you. I was reminded of that by something I just saw in front of me, and that's how writing sometimes works. You won't even think about it until later. So here we go. Let's start our adventure. So the first thing we're going to do is look at our surroundings. So just look at the screen. Notice what you see. For each of us, different things will appear and different things will be noticed. That's part of the joy of writing, discovering, and writing in a group. So in the comments, write a couple things you see. Note what you see. That was hard for me to stop because I'm hearing things. And most writers write first from the sense of sight. I tend to write from sounds quite a bit, probably because I'm a poet. I write more prose than poetry, but I think at my heart, I am a poet. So just when I was saying, John, the things you see, I heard a mourning dove. I can hear it in the distance now. There's a tree there's a bird or an insect that makes a chattering sound. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to turn on my Merlin app and see and name what I hear, because the more specific we are with what we see and what we hear, the better our writing will get. That's something to put into the back of your head, because I don't want you worrying yourself about things like getting everything right, or that doesn't exist right now. What exists right now is writing what you see. So pause the video and either go back to the clip that we just had, or take 30 seconds to jot notes of what you see in front of you right now as you are sitting wherever you're sitting in your life, okay? So I'm going to be doing the same thing after I listen on Merlin. So note, I looked down to write what I saw. I should have kept my face up, because as soon as I wanted to tell you what I saw more. So right now I see a red outbuilding. Storage maybe? I'm seeing flowers. I'm seeing gold flowers. I'm seeing a pink flower. I was seeing a bird standing up on one of those posts down there. I see green. I see green. I see green, green, green. I see seed pods on this tree straight ahead. See? Right there. Lots of seeds. I see more flowers, wildflowers. I see what some people might call weeds. I look over there at that, unfortunately, the phone, what I can see in person that, okay, so see that, I'm guessing it's a hemlock tree. There we go. So on the hemlock tree, guess what I see? I see more seeds coming back, zooming back out. I also see that wall. That wall to me just speaks. Do you see the wall? Do you see turrets? Do you see the other house? Do you see another tree with another bench? All of these things, some of us will see different things, but these are all simply words. All simply words. Now I see shadow. Do you see the shadows? And now, okay, here's something that's a tricky thing. But I see wind. Do you see wind? I see wind. And I feel wind because I'm out here in it. And seeing wind is one of those, to me, really magical things. And it's something that we really don't think about. Unless the wind is really powerful. And the wind is always powerful. Just like your words are always powerful. And I wish I knew it was making that sound. My Merlin would not tell me what that sound was coming from. Anyway, so this is it. This is your writing for today. A list of words. A list of words. Green seed pods. On this tree, on the tree over there. Flowers, golden flowers, a bird on a post, a white car, a stone wall, an enormous tree, that hemlock. I'm going to walk over there and investigate. And that's one of the hopes of writing, is that it will make you more and more curious each time you put your pen or pencil to the page. Thanks for joining me today here at Lusscroft Farms. This has been a delight. This is a brand new experience for me. I've never been on this side of the road. And I am so grateful that I got to do this with you. So, here's to more adventures. If you haven't followed me yet, I surely hope that you will. If you'll comment with what you're seeing, if you'll comment with how you're feeling, if you comment with what this invitation is writing is doing for you, I would love to know. Thanks so much again for watching. If you ever come to Lusscroft Farms, I was going to say one thing they are known for is their barn sales, which I have never been to because barn sales equal danger, although they're a great fundraiser.